Hi guys, and welcome back to Love It Stitch It. In this video, we'll run through multiple view options and you'll learn how to export your cross-stitch patterns in the Love It Stitch design tool. You can easily change up the design view when working on your creations. Whether you prefer to work in colour blocks, symbols or stitches is up to you. You can switch from each view by clicking the options in the top right-hand corner. You can also select these options from the View menu and a drop-down will appear. To help you visualize your work in progress, this handy feature enables you to view a mock-up of your design in a hoop or a frame. Once you're happy with your final design, you have the option to click Edit and crop to fit design. This will remove the excess space around your stitches. When you're ready, simply click Export and your PDF will be created for you. Here's an idea of what you'd expect to see. Your PDF will include your finished sizes and stitch counts, a view of your design in a frame, your pattern in colour and symbols, stitching tips and your thread key, including the lengths required to complete your project. Thanks for watching. For more tips and design ideas, subscribe to the channel or join the Love It Stitch It Facebook group via the link in the description box below.